Welcome back to a video where I'm going to talk about shorting penny stocks. Now we're going to look at BBIG as an example of how you could have day traded today and made a nice profit. First and foremost, I'd like to bring up my Discord chat where we had great callouts by Gonzalo and Roscoe, also known as 12 de Capos, and he literally was able to call out BBIG, and because of that I was able to make a day trading plan where I called out everything real time at 8:20, exactly my plan on trading this ticker, where I wanted to go short, enter at 6.3 with a 200 share position, and take a profit at 5.3 and stop out at 7.1 if that's the case. And I ended up taking profit at 5.82, which we'll see was quite early. However, a win's a win, and I just wanted to shout out these guys for putting in the work and helping me out when it comes to day trading. It's absolutely free to join, and I think you all can learn a thing or two from day trading penny stocks with us. So when we look at the ticker BBIG, at 8 o'clock today, it spiked from around $4 a share all the way up to almost $7. Now, I thought this was going to be bearish because the chart history can explain itself. Here it once gapped up and closed really weak and red. And also here it tried having a huge spike up, however continued to be red. So I had a bearish hypothesis, especially with the stock market being red as it was today. That was just something that kind of came to mind. So when you're looking at every candle on the 1 minute, 1 day, you can see it's pumping up, pumping out, and it finds resistance here at 6.75. This line right here, it pulls back and finds support at 6.4, but when it dipped under 6.4, which was the previous support noticed by these candles, the bears were taking control of the stock and the run was somewhat done. So I entered here at 6.3. Now when I look at the position size calculator, I'm like, okay, if I'm shorting at 6.3, I'll get out at 7.3, which will give me that 200 share position on a $10,000 account because I'm risking $200. And I was only looking for $1 a share. However, for $200 as well, which was 5.3, because I thought the stock didn't have much support, which it didn't because it spiked up immediately and has been shown to be a big red move. However, I took profit here after a quick drop. I think that was just something I wanted to do to be safe and secure a win. 5.3 ended up hitting around 30 minutes later right here. So in about an hour, you could have made that $200 win with very little risk as you were always in control. Or if you held for a bigger win, all the way to potentially 4.6, that's another couple cents a share. As a result, you can have had a bigger win. So you big thinkers out there are wondering, how can I make my day trade of $100 or $200 become $400, $500? Well, as I've referenced before, there's a couple of ways to do it. First, you can have a bigger position size. So you either have a bigger account to create a bigger position size, so now it's 240 shares, or you risk less to the upside. So if I'm going to stop out at 7, now I can take a bigger position and potentially make a bigger win. So if I was like, all right, 7 is where I'll get out if I'm shorting a stock, but it never hit, so you're good. Or you can even maximize the trade and aim for 4.3. So now you take a bigger position and you're holding for longer, so you get a bigger percent gain, and this is awesome. Now all of a sudden a $100 win turns into a $570 win. Of course, no one's perfect, but just getting this knowledge and seeing the potential when the stock market is down on a day like today, on a ticker that you could make this trade in about from 8 o'clock to 9:30, is somewhat awesome. You know, that's just a lot of potential. So if you're interested in learning more and like these recap videos, send me an email. We can get you in the Discord and you can trade with us and we can work together and make money day trading penny stocks. And this is just a typical example of a gap up short where the stock tried to spike up, failed, big red day, reversal, found the resistance, and downtrended ever since. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please reach out if you're interested in learning more, and till next time.